Baywater environment. COVID-19 coronavirus is not a joke. It killed thousands of people daily. The risk will be higher in closed area. The only solution to avoid infection with the coronavirus is continuous sterilization. It is a smart disinfection. Professional disinfection for sanitation solution. Automatic humidity adjustable. With touch LCD and remote control. How continuous sterilization works. Coronavirus target is the nose. A simplified explanation of the coronavirus movement indoors of schools, classroom and closed areas and how to prevent it. Viruses spread everywhere, both air and surfaces. By using fogging sanitizer, even an infected person enter. It can be safe 24 hours. Our smart solution is two functions: hocl generator and humidifier. What is hocl? Hypochlorous acid. Hocl is nature's disinfectant, working to kill coronavirus. Made by water plus salt and electricity. It kills 99.99% of viruses. It is 120 times more powerful than other disinfecting. It is 100% organic and non-alcohol. hocl is recommended by CDC, WHO, hocl, Europe, FDA, EPA. Why use hocl?
So just to recap, why are we using hocl? Well, 1. It acts quickly and kills 99.99% of pathogens. That includes viruses, bacteria and fungi. 2. It's absolutely safe and non-toxic for humans and the environment. And 3. It's inexpensive and flexible, meaning it can be used as a surface spray, mist and fog.
Easy to make it with our smart humidifier. Just need to fill tap water and teaspoon of kosher salt. 30 minutes is enough to be safety all day. Worldwide news recommending hocl. hocl emerges as first line of defense in fight against COVID-19, a powerful oxidizing agent that can kill 99.99% of viruses and other pathogens in just 15 seconds. Hypochlorous acid, hocl, unlike alcohol-based disinfectants, is non-toxic. All natural and completely safe for human use. Use anywhere, everywhere. Baywater environment stays at your service. Save your life. Ask for a free demonstration. Visit our website. Don't hesitate to call us.